Oh, what have we here? Ward Signature 3-speed. Oh, and the classic egg crate grill. Nice. What could this be? Yeah, it's another Hunter 7-winger. Only this one's got the older style blade design with the 7 wide plastic blades. And that hub with the 4 screws in the center. Yeah. I always thought if I got one with the later style blade set, why not get one with the older wide blade set too? And can't really see it, but this one, even though it's a standard 3-speed, it's got like the Venturi ring around the blades, which is supposed to direct the air better. You know, this blade set may be inferior to the later one, which I just showed you, but without the ring. But it may be better with the ring. However, as my friend Val Morris told me, this blade set actually works better for those with an electrically reversible motor, especially those reversible window fans that Hunter made. Yeah, this is my first box fan to be made specifically for the Montgomery Ward's department stores. A lot of us remember them. This, I believe, was made like in the late 60s to early 70s. We'll have a look around this and we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's got that Woodgrain style cabinet. Scratch here, but not too bad. As you can see, there are no holes in the side of the stand either. Cabinet seems to be slightly thinner than the EXL or even most of my Lakewoods. It's much wider than what you get today, I'll tell you that. The other side. It said there are no holes in the side for a stand. I guess they only made provisions for a stand for those that came standard with the stand, I don't know. But I think some of the stands they made for these came with a shelf on which the fan sat. I don't know how that went. Have a look at the back. As you can see, it's got the metal rear guard. And once again, there's the big Hunter R&M motor. Yeah, this one's got painted shells. They kind of painted the shells in the early years, but didn't in the later years. There's the top. Got a few dings here and there. Yeah, this is my first vintage box fan with a wood grain cabinet. And this, unlike my EXL, this has a real handle, not that flimsy strap type handle. And it's got this very small speed selector knob. And as you can see, there's a bit of wear on the speed tag, but it's not all that bad. Yeah, Val told me these egg crate grills were kind of brittle. It's got a few cracks here and there. There's one there and right along there. And down there, one piece is broken out. Oh, but it's not that bad. Anyway, here it is running. Here's high. And as you can hear, it's got that classic 7-wing blade set roar, I like to call it. Yeah, these 7-wing blade sets really have a unique sound to them. The later blade set is pretty quiet compared to this, so you can hear the sound the blades made on that. Yeah, but this is a very unique sound. And it really throws out the air, just like the other one does. Medium. Yeah, the other one's just 2-speed. This one's got 3 speeds. Well, this is what the medium speed sounds like. And here's low. And the low on this seems to be really nice and quiet still. And it's still throwing out a gentle breeze. Back to high. Oh yeah, you gotta love that sound. And off. I just love the way those blades look coasting down. And just like Esky-Wolf, I believe that the 7-wing, the wide 7-wing blade design, it's really got a sense of style. And for some odd reason, although Hunter is the house brand for these fans it's usually those made by Montgomery Ward that tend to have the rather a super deluxe model, like that top of the line model that Harley, Badger, and Spats Bear have. The one with the variable speed control and all the other fancy doodads. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this is my Ward Signature 3-speed. Made by Hunter, Robbins Myers. Oh, and I think this is the same model that as the one that was shown by YouTube user Metal Anchor. So anyway, this is my Ward Signature by Hunter Box Fan. Thank you for watching.